Everybody, today is Friday. Right now, what you're seeing is a 3kW ATSC1, ATSC3 transmitter. Originally, the unit was channel 27, I believe. And the customer decided to change the location on where this unit was supposed to be installed. And now it's going to another location. And the channel is also going to be changed to channel 17. So basically the only thing that had to be done was to replace the filter to this one that it just arrived a few hours ago. And now we are testing the unit against the new filter. As you can see, the filter is inside the transmitter, and this helps the customer or the owner to save space on the site where this unit is going to be installed. Right now, Gerardo is adjusting the parameters and everything inside the unit on each amplifier, making sure that it's tuned on channel 17. It has to be done in each amplifier. This one has 3. Ruben is also working on it, making sure that everything is done correctly, and that's it. So in this case, it usually takes us, or them, because I just look around, it takes about 4 or 5 hours to have it set up. Why so long? Basically because we have to leave the unit running for a couple of hours and make sure that when we test the unit against the ETL, all the parameters, the MER, the constellation, and everything is properly set and it complies with the FCC requirements. This is all, as always, like I say, it's part of what we do here in Elettronika. So remember that if you need us and anything you may need, we're here to help you.